Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a group on Steam. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you want to create a group on Steam, just open your Steam app. Now you can see the profile name here. Just go on here and select groups. Just scroll down from here. Now you can see a create group option. Just click on it. Now you can see there's a problem here. Your account does not meet the requirements to use the feature. When you visit the Steam support, you will see there is a term here. You have to use $5 on Steam to create a group on Steam community. If you already spent $5 on your Steam, you will see this type of interface where you have to complete this form, your group name, abbreviation, group link, and your group privacy. By following these steps, you can easily create a group on Steam. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.